We're actually speaking to a real NASA scientist about this right now. Good morning, Dr. Nikole Lewis. Talk about lucky number 7. Please tell us about this discovery.
Yeah, so this is a sort of a mind-blowing discovery. This is the first time that we've actually detected 7 Earth-sized planets all in the same system. Now they orbit this sort of cool star that's about 40 light years away. So we knew about 2 of these planets before, but we were able to detect 5 other planets in the system using the Spitzer Space Telescope. And as you mentioned, 3 of these planets are the right distance from their host star, that they should have temperatures that could support liquid water on their surfaces.
This is so cool. So are we able to tell if they're similar to planets in our own solar system?
Well, yes. So these planets were detected using a technique called the transit method. And the way that we study planets in this way is that we stare at the star and we look for a dip in the brightness of the star that shows us that something has passed in front of it. Now, depending on how deep that dip is, we know what the size of the planet is. So we're able to tell that these are actually Earth-sized and not, say, the size of Jupiter. The other great thing about having planets in this configuration where they transit the star is that we can actually study their atmospheres.
Yeah, let's talk about the Hubble telescope. So how does it work in discovering these exoplanets, and how does it help determine their atmosphere?
Right, so the Hubble Space Telescope is predominantly used to look at systems where you've already discovered exoplanets. And on the Hubble Space Telescope, we have a number of instruments. They're called spectrographs. So they allow us to look for chemical fingerprints in an exoplanet atmosphere that tells us if there's water or ozone or methane. And from that, we can tell a great deal about the climate of the planet and also potentially its ability to support life.
Searching for these habitable worlds, it sounds like science fiction, but it's a growing area for NASA. What's to come for future missions?
Yeah, so as we talked about, Hubble is currently doing a lot of great work studying the planets that we know about today. But next year, we're actually going to launch the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, which is going to scan the entire sky looking for systems similar to that of the TRAPPIST-1 system. And then, of course, in late 2018, we have the James Webb Space Telescope launching, and this is going to provide us be able to study these planets with exquisite detail.
And please tell us, what is going on with Pluto? Is it a planet again? Because we're in Kansas City and it was discovered by a University of Kansas grad. So when they said it wasn't a planet anymore, that caused quite a stir here.
Right. So as far as I know, it's not a planet. The way I think of it is we either learn 8 planets' names or 110 planets' names.
All right, Dr. Lewis, thank you so much.
Thank you.